Forget about expensive theme parks. This is homemade Cambodia roller coaster, and if you are now in Battambang, you have to try it. It's locally called a Norry. It is literally just a bamboo platform sitting on the old tank's wheel, powered by a small motorbike engine. It goes surprisingly fast, it is super bumpy, and the views of the rice fields are incredible. It used to be white-haul transport for villagers, but now it's just a pure adrenaline. Okay, that was a wild ride. Definitely don't skip this one. Follow Soksabike for more real Cambodia's adventures.